So tell me, where exactly are we now?
We're at a community garden
Okay.
on Nuns Island, looking for a trail. There's a compost.
Oh, that little white bin
Pile of
there?
trash.
That's the name. Oh, I see it right here.
Yeah, isn't it beautiful?
Can't go inside though.
No, but you can see.
Yeah. Oh, look, COVID. So pretty.
So dead.
So we wrapped up the first part of our shoot, and Paige has a story to tell you.
I was walking
Yeah.
and my toes felt mushy,
Uh-huh.
and I looked down and there was legs sticking out between my toes.
Okay, what did you step on?
A spider.
A spider.
A
Oh.
big gushy spider between my toes.
Yeah, so I have a shot of Paige holding her feet up like this, just to commemorate the shot. But
Spiders.
guys, she did very good. Wait till you see the shots, right?